Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be using the world's best deer repellent. My new friend Billy and William at Permapastures Farm. I bought this at the SOE Living Free in Tennessee Festival. It says Billy's Bone Sauce. This stuff kicks back. So we have raised beds, and then I was in Spartanburg weekend before last, or last weekend. And I asked William, well, can I put these on the outside of the beds to help repel deer? And he said, of course. Last night I got about 10 deer notices on the property, or excuse me, security camera notices on the property, and there were deer everywhere. So things are starting to grow and bloom. We're fighting Japanese beetle now, but I definitely don't want the deer munching down. So we're going to paint some of this stuff onto the beds. Quick little, so if you go to permapasturefarmsnc.com or just Google it. Also, they have YouTube. So William said just paint it up about where, eye level. So, woo, baby, she got a smell. Not too bad, but this is bones and some other stuff. Man, I feel like one of the chosen people painting the lamb's blood. Lamb's blood on the doorposts. But yeah, I've seen a lot of reviews about this. Billy, I really trust him. Good guy. If you don't know who it is, I would definitely search him out. So I'm going to keep doing this to the rest of them. And I'll cut in a little video that I did with William at the Farm Where You Live Festival, and he'll tell you all about it. So subscribe, hit like. I think we're right at 1,000. I'd appreciate it if you'd follow us. We're going to be doing more with my son. And everybody have a great day, and God bless.
So bone sauce is an all-natural deer repellent. We didn't invent it, we just invented the way that we make it. It's made from animal products. There's bones, heat, water, and thyme put into it. And it's basically a all-natural deer repellent, and if you apply it to a wooden surface, it lasts for 25 to 30 years. We claim that it keeps back deer and rabbits. Other people have done the testing, and they claim that it keeps back squirrels, groundhogs, voles, and stuff like that. We promise deer and rabbits. Everything else is kind of extra.
Right. So, and they can find this?
They can find this at permapasturesfarm.com, or if you go to any of our YouTube videos, the links are linked down in the description box.
Awesome. And guys, I'm going to show you me putting this on the raised beds. I just talked to William, and I bought some last week at the Self-Reliance Festival. And this stuff's magic, man. It's everything I've been hearing. So I'm sold. I'm putting it on, and go check them out. Go support them. Great people. So thanks, William. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Where can they find you?
Permapastures Farm on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff.
Awesome. Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
Put my honey to work too. Yeah, don't be shy. Paint it on. Got the chickens going everywhere. He's not a guard dog, but all right, she's going to help me paint these. We're going to paint all the beds. We just set up a little pen for some ducklings we're growing out. And we'll move them from the brooder, and we'll show you some video of that. So, alrighty. Y'all have a great day.